So in this video, I'm going to create a Windows 11 custom image that multiple users are going to log into this computer. And when they log into this computer, they are going to see the same icons on their desktop. So I have Office application app icons and I want to place it on the desktop so every user can access it. So to do that, I can't place it on the admin desktop. So in order to configure this custom image of Windows 11, you must be an administrator. So I'm logged in as an administrator already. So I need to access the public folder, and this is where I have to put all the icons like Office apps icons and Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever I have on the desktop, so that every user can access and see the same icons on their desktop. So to do that, I'm going to click on File Explorer. I need to access the C drive. I'm going to click on this PC, C drive, click on Users. Now click on Public. Now the folder is hidden. It's called Public Desktop. So to unhide that folder, you need to go to View, Show, and select Hidden Items. And this is the folder, Public Desktop. Now, as you can see, it already has Firefox, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. So I have to place all the Office application apps icons on this folder here, the public desktop. So I'll go to Start, and I can choose any one, for example, PowerPoint. So I just have to right-click PowerPoint, select Open File Location, and here I can access all the Office apps. So you can choose whatever icons you would like on the desktop. So I'm going to choose Excel. So you have to just copy this Excel icon over into the public desktop. So I'm going to drag the Excel app to the public desktop. I'm going to make a copy. Release the mouse. Click on Copy. Click Continue. I am going to place Outlook. Click on Copy. So I'm going to drag Publisher, make a copy here, click on Copy, Continue. Microsoft Word, I'm going to place it here. So I'm also going to place PowerPoint here. So I'm just going to drag it over, click on Copy, Continue. So you can place whatever app icons you would like on the desktop. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to close this, close this. So to test this, I'm going to log in as another user. So I logged in as Tom Ryan, and this user's desktop has all the icons as the other users.